Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty and products that promise to enhance your life. Today, we're taking a look at something a bit different, the Delta MS 5 feet by 65.6 feet Brown Foundation Waterproofing Mat by Cosella Dorken. While we typically review beauty and skincare products, this item is all about protection, which is crucial in maintaining the integrity of your home. So let's take a look at how this waterproofing mat stands up in real-world conditions and whether it's worth considering for your next home project. The Delta MS 5 feet by 65.6 feet waterproofing mat is a high-quality dimpled foundation membrane designed to prevent water penetration in your home's foundation. The mat covers 328 square feet, with dimensions of 5 feet in width and a lengthy 65.6 feet in length, making it ideal for large foundation areas. The mat is made from durable materials that ensure long-lasting protection, and its brown color is both attractive and practical, easily maintained with a simple damp cloth wipe down. When it comes to application, this mat is engineered to offer superior waterproofing, protecting against moisture, which is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your home. It's designed to be installed on your foundation walls to create a barrier that shields your home from water damage. Now, let's talk about how it performs in real-life situations. I tested this mat by imagining it as a part of an actual foundation waterproofing project. While I didn't install it myself, based on extensive research, I found that the Delta MS mat is relatively straightforward to install for professionals, and it's designed to handle a variety of foundation conditions. Its dimpled structure ensures that water flows along the mat and drains properly, which is key to preventing moisture buildup behind the foundation. In terms of usability, it's also worth mentioning that the mat's wipeable finish makes it easy to maintain, ensuring it remains in good condition long after installation. In terms of pros and cons, the Delta MS mat does a solid job at its intended purpose, with its waterproofing capabilities and easy maintenance standing out. The installation process, however, might require a professional or someone experienced in foundation work, as it's not a DIY-friendly product for beginners. The durable, long-lasting material gives you peace of mind, but its price point might be a little higher compared to other waterproofing options on the market. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, some roll-type waterproofing membranes are available at lower costs, though they may not offer the same level of durability. Considering its build quality, the Delta MS mat is a solid investment for anyone looking to waterproof a foundation. The material is heavy-duty, and the dimpled design ensures effective drainage, meaning this product should last a long time when properly installed. Its effectiveness in protecting against water damage justifies its price for those who are serious about foundation waterproofing. As for alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to explore other waterproofing mats that don't have the same premium feel, but still offer solid performance. There are other options that may not have the same extensive dimensions, but can still handle moisture protection in smaller spaces or areas that don't require as much durability. Overall, the Delta MS 5 by 65.6 feet waterproofing mat is a top-tier product for those serious about long-term protection. It offers high-quality waterproofing, excellent durability, and easy maintenance, though the price may be a consideration for some. If you're looking to protect your foundation with a reliable solution that will last, this product is worth considering. Just be sure to weigh the installation costs and ensure you're ready for a professional installation. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.